We have the DEERC four-wheel drive brushless 200E remote control car, and we're going to check this out and see what this is all about. Look right there. That's what the car is going to look like. But we want to see the real deal. It's full scale. It is a brushless motor, 2.4 gigahertz radio control, rechargeable battery, of course, four-wheel drive RC car, and a metal differential. Okay, what do we have in the box? It looks like a box in a box, so that may be a thing. Oh, okay. There is a box in a box, but what do we have here? Whoa, what do we have here? All right, got an instruction manual. Forget that. Cautions of battery. So that's the wind. Let's pop this off and just look at this car. Whoa, look at that. That has two different shells. You use the purple shell or the orange shell, so that's cool. It's got some accessories here. This looks like the actual battery right there. There's the battery inside there. Let's just see what this battery looks like. Looks like a pretty big battery. Yeah, there it is. There's that. Oh, this is one of those big remote control controllers. Oh, accessories? Yes, there is the remote control controller right there. Check that out. Don't think so, but let's see what's in this. What's in this little accessory pack? Oh, okay, so you get some additional little things in case you break stuff, which I will. Extra motors. Are those differential motors? I don't know, but we'll find out. Let's just dump it out. There it is. There's a bunch of stuff you're gonna get. Don't know what all that does yet, but we'll find out. And this looks like it's probably the charger right here. Nope, that is the spoiler that goes on the back of this thing right here. Something like that. So that is the DEERC 200E RC car. So can't wait to try this out. And brushless motors are awesome. They run a lot longer. So this thing is supposed to go really fast. So looking forward to see this. Again, DEERC 200E remote control car.